For this collaboratory, we are using a very new and special methodology called structured democratic dialogue. It's a very precise way of collecting ideas from people and documenting every idea and every sentence and every clarification they say. We focus on the people being relaxed to share their ideas, not having any stress about taking notes or remembering anything. The process is going slowly and is being supported by the technology. But then we go very deep into the ideas. We try to compare the meanings, to understand what the person is saying, to clarify every idea, and then search for influences of one idea versus another idea. So that from 100 of ideas, we end up with about 20 in a map, in a tree of influences that shows us which ones are the most influential and where we should put our money. And this is the kind of information that the Future and Emerging Technologies, for example, of the European Commission would like to have from the younger generation in order to predict where they should sponsor more and where they should sponsor less, because ideally projects should be funded based on a priority of their prospect for creating the largest influence.
This is a very interesting process. I know that my ideas will be reshaped and regenerated through this process, and it's a great learning initiative. There's a lot of learning how to listen to the other, a lot of learning of how to respond, when to respond, how to shape your questions so that you don't interfere with the other person's idea, yet at the same time raise your point.
One thing that I appreciate with the method is that you get the harvesting of the ideas at the same time as you're doing the brainstorming, and this is very important.
We are living in very difficult times in which the older generations in general have the money and the power, and the younger generations have the life, the potential and the unemployment. And the only way to get out of this mess is to empower the youth to take the leadership in redesigning the system in which they live in ways that are more fair, more transparent and more tailored to the needs of those who have future on the planet. So it's workshops like this that we need to organize all over the world to give the power and the voice to the youth, but also to help them believe that they have the power to redesign the way they are governed.